Hey, if you want to learn how to make an epic-looking thumbnail or pop art to convert your or someone's photo in this very short tutorial, I will show you how to do it step by step. Sit back and get started. Step 1. Finding a suitable photo or using your... Okay, as I mentioned, you can use any photo in any pose because using the image-to-image function, our generated photo will mimic our pose, as you are about to see. Oh, this will work perfectly. I'll download it now. If you are a content creator, I recommend using sites with Royalty free-to-use photos, from a site such as Pixabay, for example. Step 2. Image-to-image function. Now we will add our downloaded photo of this lady to the image-to-image function. If we want the new image to retain a good portion of the original, I recommend setting the init strength around 0.65. Then, you type the prompt. It can be a very exact prompt. It can be just man or woman, or it can even be the very name of a famous person, whatever comes to mind. In my case, it was Megan Fox, and as you can see, the effect is electrifying. It is worth knowing that you can use various models such as Dream Shaper, Absolute Reality, 3D animation style. If you want to create a character reminiscent of those from Disney cartoons, you can use any model. I used Photo Reality because I wanted a photorealistic effect. I encourage you to combine because the results may positively surprise you. If you want to learn more about the image function, learn cool tricks related to it. I encourage you to watch the next video and leave a sub. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and write in the comments if you learned something new. If you have questions about Leonardo AI, I will be happy to help. Hi.